Okay, next knot is a perfection loop, and what that does is it attaches your fly line, which has a built-in, sometimes a welded loop, sometimes a tied loop, but the end of your fly line should have a loop, usually, where your leader will attach, and it's already got that built in, so you don't have to tie one there. And then your leader end has to have a loop in it to attach to the other loop, so we're going to tie that loop. And the way it goes, so you take your tag end, your butt end, the thick end, and you go one loop. Let's make this kind of big so you can see. One loop behind, right? So that's going to be behind to make that big loop. And then you come in front. Hold on. That's wrong. First one's in front. My bad. Okay, so you got your tag end. You want to loop that in front of the rest of the leader. And then you take your tag end and go behind the body, the rest of your leader, okay? So you've got a big loop that went in front. You've got a smaller loop that goes all the way behind everything, back there, if you can see that. And then, so you can see through both of those. In between the two loops, you're going to take your tag end and just go horizontally in between the two and just kind of pinch that. So you've got a big loop, a little loop, and in between them that parallel of the tag end. Then you come in behind the knot, grab the top of the little loop and pull it back through the top of the big loop, and what happens is when you cinch it down, that creates a loop. And what's special about this one is that your tag end sticks out at a 90-degree angle. And that's nice because if you tied the loop like I did the first one, like with the arbor knot, the tag end like sticks at weird angles, and when you're pulling it through the guides, it'll actually hook up on there and it can cut your fish off. So that's a nice knot to know. So you trim that pretty close to the knot. You want to have that nice and trim so that it doesn't catch on anything. So you've got a nice loop, and then you put that through your leader, through the fly line, and the rest of the leader through that loop, and just cinch it up, and that's your connection of fly line to leader using a perfection loop. That's nice and strong and clean. Okay, one more knot to tie the fly onto the tippet, and that will be the last one. Okay, thanks.